Let me ask you a very simple question. Right now, how much money do you have saved or invested? Maybe it's a few $100s, maybe nothing at all. Now imagine this. What if 10 years from today, you are still in the same position? Same income, same stress, same bills.
That's the reality for millions of people in the United States. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be your reality, because building wealth is not about luck. It's about understanding a simple system. And once you understand that system, everything changes. In school, nobody teaches you how money works. You learn math, you learn history, but no one teaches you how to invest, how to grow money, how to become financially free. So what happens? People grow up, get a job, earn money, and then spend everything. And the cycle repeats again and again. This video will break that cycle.
Before you invest, you need to understand one thing. Money is a tool. Most people use money to buy things. Rich people use money to make more money. That's the biggest difference. Let's take a simple example. If you earn $3,000 per month, you spend $3,000, you stay broke. You invest $500, you build wealth. Same income, different result. Every successful person follows this simple system. Step 1. Earn. You need income from a job, business, or freelancing. Step 2. Save, control your expenses. Step 3. Invest. This is where wealth is created. Most people stop at step 2. Rich people focus on step 3. That's the difference.
Now let's make it practical. If you live in the United States, you have one big advantage. Investing is very easy. You can start with apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, Charles Schwab. Download the app, create an account, add money, buy your first investment. That's it, simple.
Now the big question, where should you invest? Let's keep it simple. Option 1, index funds, best for beginners. Example, S&P 500. This tracks the top 500 companies in the US. Safe, long-term growth, low effort, perfect for beginners.
Option 2. Individual stocks. Examples, Apple Inc., Tesla Inc. These can grow fast, but also risky. Option 3. Crypto example, Bitcoin. High risk, high reward. Only invest small amount.
Let me give you a simple plan. If you earn $3,000 per month, invest $300. That's 10%. Do it every month. Don't skip. After 1 year equals $3,600 invested. After 10 years equals life-changing money. This is called consistency. Time is more important than money. If you start early, you win. If you delay, you lose. Even small investments grow big over time. That's the secret most people ignore.
Let's talk about mistakes. Waiting too long, investing without knowledge, panic selling, following hype. Avoid these and you're already ahead of 90% of people. Now listen carefully. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start today. One person starts today. Another person waits for the perfect time. 10 years later, one is free, one is still stuck. The difference? Action.
Your future isn't written in the stars, it's shaped by the choices you make today. Not tomorrow. Not someday. This moment is your starting line. Every second wasted is a chance lost, a door closed. So, don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Whether it's learning a new skill or pursuing a dream, the time to act is now. Each small step builds the path to your goals. Remember, no one is coming to save you. It's up to you to take charge, to empower yourself. Embrace the journey, and don't let procrastination steal your potential. Start today, because your tomorrow depends on the actions you take right now. So go ahead, make it happen.